my god.
Guys, it is smoking. Grumpy food. Cool start. Cool start. Hey yo, check this out. My man shit himself. Alright, if you know, you know, bro. If you know, you know what the fuck we do here. Look at this shit.
Exercise.
Hey, why did Tina tell us to show up at 8? This shit leaves at 9, bro. Sponsored ad?
Nah, bro. There's better ones. It's the better one. You pay for what you get. You get what you pay for. This was $20.
A few moments later.
Just kidding.
Now we're looking like a bunch of homeless, bro. We just hopped off the bus and we have nowhere to go. We're
walk to
fucked.
Starbucks, get some Wi-Fi. We'll see where the closest gym is. Take a shower.
What the fuck? Where are we? Hey, we're on King Road. If anyone come pick us up. What the
We're
hell?
at the SJ Goodwill.
Yeah. Alright, we got our fuel. Some Starbucks. I got my charger ready.
I got an eggnog latte.
My phone was dead, so I couldn't pull out the secret menu. Couldn't pull the secret menu now, but I got a caramel frap. Now we walk our homeless ass over to KFC. Hey, don't worry, bro. With all the money I got on my credit card, we could survive up to 1 week.
You know, I came prepared. I came with 2 portable chargers and $2.
Don't worry, we can live off of my card for 2 weeks.
Welcome to our stream, trading $2 to get to the Reddit. We traded $2 for 2 Starbucks. Now we're gonna trade it up for a car.
Made it to KFC, the next location, bro.
We feasted. First on the menu, appetizers, potato wedges. Ah, shit, they fucking spilled in here too.
Hey, first hour in San Jose, we be witnessing some weird stuff out here. Y'all be living different. But at least we got the celebrity chef.
Colonel Sanders, bro.
I'm telling you, we live like this, we could live maybe for a month.
One eternity later.
This dark as fuck.
But we drive.
But look, our third mode of transportation was this Tacoma. And now, the real one. You guys don't get to see the real one. It's so dark. What time is it, Jim?
It's like 10:30.
Yeah, we left the house at 7. It's currently 10. And we are in Redding, bro.
Trying to get a picture.
Oh my. Yeah, we made it to Modesto with the Adu Mark 5. Hey, first fill up for the Mark 5, bruh. It's true JDM. Got a single exit on there already. Oy. What do you think?
So it's 2 a.m., bro.
Oh yeah, it's currently 2 a.m. Boom. What do you guys think? That shit look sick or what? Shit look stock or what?
What's everyone else rapping?
Y'all seeing this? What the hell? $6.50, bro, for 91. Insane. Granted, we're in the middle of nowhere though, but look at the light. Look at the freaking gas station lighting though. Good morning, America. Six Flags, Magic Mountain. Oh my. This car is dangerous, bro. I hit 100, no problem.
Too fast, right?
Huh?
Too fast.
I hit 100. I looked down like, man, what the fuck? Why were you driving so fast? I lose traction, bro. I stopped running, I lost traction. Six Flags. God damn it, truck. Boom, Six Flags.
Damn.
Hey, y'all missed that. Y'all missed BMWs. Look at this guy with them.
What is the Civic doing? Oh my god.
Hey, the back end spun out, bro. We're fishtailing.
This shit kinda quick, huh? Kinda quick.
The back end fishtail a little bit.
Oh my god.
This car needs a boost reduction in first gear, bro. Or it just needs better tires.
Yeah, low key. Probably some wider
Second gear's
tires.
fine.
Sounds pretty good. Oh shit, oh shit.
Hey, someone hit the wall right here last time, bro.
Yep.
Oh, we finally back at the crib. 2 out of 3 GRs acquired. We're missing one more, bro.
Who's getting the Corolla?
Yeah, who's gonna grab the Corolla?
They added a RAV4. Maybe we'll get that.
But look at this, guys. It is smoking. Was it oil dripping on a downpipe? Hey, downpipe looks easy to install, bro. We're here.
Yeah, it's big as fuck. Might be actually.
What? You guys can see it right there.
It's a big ass downpipe. What the fuck? That shit long as fuck.
Alright, let me walk you through the Mark V real quick. We picked it up from Reading. We're now currently leaking oil onto the downpipe. We got the Armor Speed intake. You see that? It's a launch edition, number 433 out of 1500.
Hey, we finally got the patriotic cars lined up, bro.
And then we got the single exit, the Scorpion. The Adu Mark V. Hey, what you guys think, but which one looks better?
Bro, low key, I think it's just the white, man. I'm
Look at
not
this.
feeling white no more.
Dang, tell me, well, tell me. This doesn't look better than the Supra? Damn.
White just looks like a grandma car.
Damn, look at this. Damn. Damn. And then let's go see a broken car. We brought home a broken car, bro. Damn. Should we check out the check engine light? Huh? Bring it out. Bring it out real quick. Yeah, that's a check engine light. We're gonna check it out real quick.